Hey, ¿qué la que hay, mi gente? It's Rocky here from SpeakSpanishFaster.com y hoy vamos a estar hablando de la frase no sé en español. Today we're going to be talking about the phrase no sé in Spanish. Many times when you are having a conversation with somebody, a native speaker in Spanish, they may say something that you don't understand or that you don't recognize. And the first feeling that you're probably going to have is first a little embarrassment, but the second feeling will be the immediate need to say no sé. It kind of becomes a type of go-to statement that we like to say. But if you don't always just lean on that phrase and instead you turn to other phrases, it can help you sound more like a native Spanish speaker or at least more like a more advanced Spanish speaker. So today I'm going to share with you 5 different phrases that you can replace no sé with. Listo? So the first phrase is puedes repetirlo? Can you repeat it? Now, many times the problem isn't that you don't know the answer to the question or you don't know the answer to whatever they're saying to you. The problem is that you simply didn't understand what the person said. Like if I say quickly, ¿Qué hiciste ayer? Did you understand what I just said? I said, ¿Qué hiciste ayer? Which means, what did you do yesterday? Now, at first, if you didn't quite understand what I said, if it was too fast or too choppy, you might just say, what? No sé. But do you really not know what you did yesterday? One quick way to look like a rookie is to respond no sé to simple questions that you should know the answer to. So how can you avoid this? How can you avoid looking like a beginner even if you are a little more advanced? Well, you can simply ask the person to repeat what they said. ¿Puedes repetirlo, por favor? You can even add, ¿Podrías hablar más despacio? Can you talk slower? This way, the native speaker will talk slower and more clearly so that you can understand what they are saying. Then you can try to see if you really don't know the answer to that question or not. So, puedes repetirlo and podrías hablar más despacio should be some of your go-to phrases if you can't understand what somebody is saying. Now, I know it's hard and it's humbling, but don't be afraid to ask someone to slow down or to repeat themselves. I mean, I have to do the same thing sometimes when I go to other Spanish-speaking countries, or sometimes they have to do the same thing to me. So if I'm not familiar with somebody's accent or dialect, then it's going to take some time getting used to, and sometimes I will have to ask them to, slow down or repeat themselves, and sometimes they'll have to do the same thing to me. But this is natural and it's okay. It's going to help you learn new words and it's going to help you become accustomed to the different types of pronunciation that Spanish speakers use. Over time, this problem will occur less and less. Okay, but what happens if you actually do understand what is said and you really don't know the answer? Then what should you say? Now, of course, you can say no sé, but there are other phrases that you can use that will help you look a little more advanced. So you could say, no estoy seguro, I am not sure. So if somebody asks you a question and you don't know the answer to that question, you can simply say, amigo, no estoy seguro. Another thing you can say is, no tengo idea, or you can say, no tengo ni idea. These phrases mean I have no idea, and it's great to respond in the form of a question when you use these phrases. So, for example, if I ask you, ¿Qué quiere comer? What do you want to eat? You can say, no tengo ni idea de lo que quiero comer. You can also use this phrase if you didn't understand what they said, and then you can build on top of this phrase with some of the other phrases we have covered already. So for example, if I say something to you and you don't understand what I said, you can say, no tengo ni idea de lo que acaba de decir. ¿Puedes repetirlo, por favor? Or, no tengo ni idea de lo que acaba de decir. ¿Podrías hablar más despacio? Another phrase that you can use for if you know what somebody is saying, but you just don't know the answer to the question, you can say, no recuerdo. So if I asked you, what did you eat yesterday? ¿Qué comiste ayer? You can say, no recuerdo lo que comí ayer. I don't remember what I ate yesterday. Okay, so remember these 5 phrases. ¿Puedes repetirlo? Can you repeat it? ¿Podrías hablar más despacio? Can you talk slower? No estoy seguro. I am not sure. No tengo ni idea de. I have no idea. No recuerdo. I don't remember. Implement some of these no sé alternatives to your Spanish so that you can sound more advanced and maybe one day even sound very similar to a native. And remember that you can stack these phrases on top of each other to easily put together more complex sentences. That will really help you sound like a student that is more advanced. And over time, after practicing over and over again, it will become second nature. So before you go, please hit that red subscribe button, subscribe to our channel, watch some more of our videos. YouTube should serve you a video right here. It's a video that you might enjoy. So definitely click that video, watch it. I'll see you there. Hasta la próxima vez. Nos vemos.